Hello everyone, I welcome all of you in this video and the chapter is Bringing Up Curry written by Dhan Gopal Mukherjee of class 7, our supplementary book An Alien Hand of chapter 2 class 7. Okay, let us start this chapter. Dear students, this is our book An Alien Hand, supplementary reader in English of class 7. So, we have to start today chapter number 2, Bringing Up Curry. This is our chapter, Bringing Up Curry. Curry mainly is the name of an elephant, a baby elephant, and bringing, you may say that bring, matlab lana. कड़ी को लाना, हाथी को लाना. Then how they learn to anything very quickly. So this chapter is very interesting. A 5-month-old baby elephant keeping by 9-year-old boy. We can say that in this chapter the author is working as a narrator. Clear? About Curry, we have to discuss something about Curry. Curry mainly enjoyed morning bath in the river. I was saying that they mainly enjoy morning bath in the river. Okay. So the author rubbed him with clean sand of river for an hour. After that he would be in water for a long time. Author always rubbed his back, his body to clean their bodies, and then he invested their time for long time in the water in the river, so that on coming out of this skin would be sequel or with pleasure. We can say that after bathing, the elephant start to make noise. He started to work. He started to shining his body like that. After the bath, the author would leave him on edge of the jungle. We can say that after getting bath, elephant left to the edge of jungle. He would himself go into the forest to get twigs for the elephant's dinner. The author always left the elephant at the edge of jungle, and he also went in the jungle for collecting twigs for the elephant's dinner. It was a difficult task and it used to take a lot of time. Collecting twigs, luscious twigs, is a very difficult task and it also takes a lot of time. The author had to first sharpen his hatches, which took half an hour. We can say that first of all, author have to sharp. वो तेज करता था अपने हैचेस को, इट मीन्स अपनी छोटी कुल्हाड़ी को, एक्स को. देन दे गो इनटू द फॉरेस्ट. Then the author had to climb trees to get most delicate and tender twigs. Curries and author were good friends. Now we can say that after going into the jungle, author always climbed to the tree. Then after he delicate the tender twigs, we can say that twigs, it means berries, it may be said that berries means twigs. Now Curry and author became good friends. While the author was in the jungle, he learned Curry calling up to him, so he came down from the trees. When one day when he was in the jungle and he was climbed on the tree, Curry was crying, calling him for helping. To help, Curry was calling him. Then author came down from the trees and ran fastly to the edge of the forest when he left the curries. Another sees the trunk of the surface of the water, thinking that curry is drowning. The author says that the curry was moving into the river and he was drowning. Arthur felt helpless. That time after Arthur were feeling very helpless and he started to pushed the other the stream. But right after Curry back rose above the water and he pushed the author into the stream. A boy who was drowning into the river. Curry was trying to escape him. Curry was trying to remove from the water from the river. Then author also tried to go into the river and tried him to replace carry him from the water. Author realized that Curry wanted him to save a boy's life. The boy was lying on the bottom of the river. The author dived and pulled the body of the drowning boy. Then author were dived, he swam in the river and drowning boys not being a good swimmer. The author could not swim ashore and the slow current was digging him down. Now we can say that author was not a good swimmer and the author could not swim very well in the flows of water. The flows of water always digging him up down in the water. Seeing them drift by the current, Curry came fastly in the water and stretched his trunk. After drifting the current, the Curry came there fastly and water's trunk. He stretched his trunk. We can see that in the picture. That is, Curry was stretched his trunk in the neck of that author, and author was pulling that boys to save their lives. The author caught his trunk and Curry pulled both the author and that boy ashore. Then after author were saved and the boys were also saved by Curry. Okay, thanks. We will discuss next topic, next point in new video, next video. So thank you. Have a nice day.